Your question is, in the preamble of Constitution adopted on 26 November 1949, which word or words was or were not present? 1. Socialist, 2. Integrity, 3. Secular, 4. Republic. Choose the correct answer by following code. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 4, or D. 3 and 4. Right answer is A. 1, 2 and 3. Socialist, integrity and secular. Your question is, which among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? Your options are A. India has many religions, B. Indians have religious freedom, C. Following the religion depends upon the will of an individual, or D. There is no religion of the state in India. Right answer is D. There is no religion of the state in India. Your question is, a complete or formal rendition of national anthem takes. Your options are A. 50 seconds, B. 45 seconds, C. 52 seconds, or D. 55 seconds. Right answer is C. 52 seconds. Your question is, in a presidential government, all the executive powers are vested in. Your options are A. President, B. Cabinet, C. Legislature, or D. Upper House. Right answer is A. President. Your question is, creation of a new state requires a blank majority for constitutional amendment. Your options are A. Simple, B. 2/3, C. 3/4, D. 2/3 plus ratification by half of all states, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. Simple. Your question is, which of the following constitutional amendments integrated Sikkim as a full-fledged state of the Indian Union? Your options are A. 34th, B. 35th, C. 36th, or D. 37th. Right answer is C. 36th. Your question is, in which year were the Indian states reorganized on the recommendation of the State Reorganization Commission? Your options are A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1956, or D. 1966. Right answer is C. 1956. Your question is, when was the Citizenship Amendment Act passed? Your options are A. 11th December 2018, B. 11th December 2019, C. 11th October 2019, D. 11th October 2020, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. 11th December 2019. Your question is, a court can pre-assume that any act constituting offence was committed on the ground of untouchability if such offence is committed in relation to. Your options are A. a member of a scheduled caste, B. a member of scheduled tribes, C. a member of any community, or D. none of the above. Right answer is A. a member of scheduled castes. Your question is, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Your options are A. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, Article 23, B. Protection of interests of minorities, Article 29, C. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32, or D. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions, Article 31. Right answer is D. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions, Article 31. Your question is, which of the following rights conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? Your options are A. Right to constitutional remedies, B. Freedom of speech, C. Freedom to move and settle in any part of the country, or D. Freedom to acquire property. Right answer is A. Right to constitutional remedies. Your question is, which of the following is empowered to make law for economic and social planning besides the infants and minors in India? Your options are A. Only the central government, B. Only the state government, C. Both the central and state governments, or D. Only the local governments. Right answer is C. Both the central and state governments. Your question is, under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates. Your options are A. The right to equality, B. The directive principles of state policy, C. The right to freedom, or D. The concept of welfare. Right answer is B. The directive principles of state policy. Your question is, by which constitutional amendment 10 fundamental duties were added in the Constitution for Indian citizens? Your options are A. 24th, B. 38th, C. 44th, or D. 42nd. Right answer is D. 42nd. Your question is, how many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? Your options are A 9, B 11, C 12 or D 20. Right answer is B 11. Your question is, which of the following is incorrect about the powers of the President of India? Your options are A. The President should accept the advice of Supreme Court. B. Emergency powers. C. Power of extension of President's rule in states. Or D. President can accept or reject the advice of the Supreme Court. Right answer is A. The President should accept the advice of Supreme Court. Your question is, the Electoral College of President consists of 1. Elected members of both houses of parliament. 2. Elected members of both houses of state legislatures. 3. Elected members of the legislative assemblies of all states. 4. Elected members of legislative assemblies of Delhi and Puducherry courts. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 1 and 3 are correct. C. 1, 2, 4 are correct. Or D. 1, 3, 4 are correct. Right answer is D. 1, 3, 4 are correct. 1. Elected members of both houses of parliament. 2, 3. Elected members of the legislative assemblies of all states. 4. Elected members of legislative assemblies of Delhi and Puducherry. Your question is, consider the following statements regarding a no confidence motion in India. 1. There is no mention of a no confidence motion in the Constitution of India. 2. A motion of no confidence can be introduced in the Lok Sabha only. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is C. Both 1 and 2. There is no mention of a no confidence motion in the Constitution of India, and a motion of no confidence can be introduced in the Lok Sabha only. Your question is, who is the highest civil services officers of the central government? Your options are A. The Attorney General of India. B. The Cabinet Secretary. C. The Home Secretary. D. The Finance Secretary. Or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. The Cabinet Secretary. Your question is, which of the following statements is not true for Dr. Manmohan Singh? Your options are A. Former Finance Minister of India. B. Former Governor of Reserve Bank of India. C. Former Chairman of Finance Commission. Or D. Former Representative of India at the IMF. Right answer is C. Former Chairman of Finance Commission.